Hi there, this is Dalen from CuriousCore once again, and I gather that you're interested in making a career transition. And one question you might have in your mind is, when is the best time to make that career leap? It's a common question, and I don't blame you if you think that maybe next year is a better time, or maybe 6 months down the road it's a better time. And a lot of people happen to procrastinate that career transition and later end up regretting it, because if they made that transition way earlier in the process itself, it would have been less competitive. Now, let me explain to you why today is the best time to make a career transition. If you were to delay this transition for an extra year or two, yes, you might have that time and bandwidth to build up more savings and financial capability in order for you to invest in that career transition. But you are also exposing yourself to more fresh graduates who are going to graduate with a similar degree, as degree courses are now altering their curriculum to include things like user experience design and product management. So you'll be competing with a wider pool of people who are willing and able to take a lesser salary, and that's not a situation you want to find yourself in. So if you're able to make that transition as quickly as possible, which is today, and in our next available batch, that will actually help you kickstart that journey. And we are one of the most efficient career accelerators in the industry, where we help offer various programs that fits various needs. So some people ask us, how is CuriousCore different from other programs out there in the market? One thing that really separates us from the rest of the institutions is that we use real practitioners, real projects, and real case studies. So we only use instructors who are currently still working in the industry and are not full-time instructors, or are instructors that have been teaching for the last couple of years. So their skills and knowledge are still very, very current. So that's one thing that we do. The second thing that we do is real case studies. As much as possible, we try to use real case studies in our program. And these are actual case studies that we interview industry practitioners and try to understand what kind of challenges have they been facing in order to capture what they learn from that process itself and bring that back into our lessons. And in case we do not have these real case studies, what we would then do is to ask you to bring a business problem or company issue or something you might have encountered in your life into the classroom instead. And that's always been our teaching style. Now, the third thing is that for some of our programs, for example, our UX Career Accelerator, which is our flagship program, you're able to work with real clients. And these are not just clients that are based in Singapore. These are clients that are based in Malaysia, in Australia, some in Europe, and even some in the US itself. So it actually exposes you to a very international client base. And these clients are actually very willing to work with students and make career transitioners like yourself in a group project, because they know the benefit of having a group of students do research on their customers as well as propose design solutions. So this gives you an opportunity to practice interacting with clients, but also collaborate in a team in a remote setting as well as in an in-person setting, so that you get the best of both worlds when you're training with us. So this is what differentiates us and separates us from the rest of our competitors out there. So you might be wondering, how do I choose the right program for me? If you are thinking of investing your money and your time to come to a CuriousCore program, we offer currently 3 programs in user experience design with 3 varying durations. So the first program is a 2-day program, which is SkillsFuture eligible. So if you're a Singaporean or a permanent resident, you can actually use your SkillsFuture credit to claim for the full course fee of the program if you have enough credits in your SkillsFuture account. And that program is very suitable for someone who wants a very intense foundation course where you build capabilities in research and design. And this is done very quickly during the weekend in 2 different weekends, 2 different Saturdays usually, and you're able to get that done in 2 consecutive weeks. The next program is our 4-month UX Career Accelerator program. And this program is great for those of you who are not thinking about quitting your job and want to still make that career transition to become a UX designer. Because this program is part-time, therefore it is outside of office hours and during the weekends, and requires a certain amount of commitment that is outside of working hours as long as you don't work overtime. Now, this is a flagship program that we've been running since the start of our company, which means we've been running multiple batches for the last couple of years. And because this program is designed in-house by our instructors and has been continuously refined over the years throughout different batches, the program is getting better and better and more efficient as well. So we have graduates who currently work at Ninja Van, GovTech, DBS, and all these other great companies, and they are all part of the CuriousCore alumni. Now, this program is suitable for you if you are looking to do this over a period of 4 months, part-time, and you can invest the time and the money. And do not mind that this program is unsubsidized in any way. But it is one of our best programs because it offers not just the theoretical part, but also the career coaching and the client projects in this case. So you get 3 things in one program. And this is a program for those of you who want to learn by learning with your hands and doing actual work. Our next program is our newest program that is recently been approved by Workforce Singapore. And this program enables you to claim up to 70% of the course fee with the government if you are a Singaporean or permanent resident. Now, this program is just the theoretical component of our longer 4-month flagship program. This is great for those of you who want to do this career transition full-time, meaning that you have already left your job and you want that additional support from government subsidies in order to help you make that career transition. So while this WSQ program does not have any career coaching component, we do run public classes for our career coaching program. So that means you can do this WSQ UX program and then take a career coaching program, which is a public run, and combine these 2 together to still get that additional support. And regardless, you will still be part of the wonderful alumni at CuriousCore, where you will be able to work with your seniors who are now working in various great companies, from agencies to tech startups, as well as big banks and insurance companies. So overall, if you hear what I have to say about these 3 programs, I hope you find one that's the right fit for you by thinking about the timeline that you want to make that career transition. If you're looking to make that career transition as quickly as possible, perhaps the WSQ program might suit you because it actually happens within a 1-month period. If you like to make the career transition without losing your current job and you want to do it in a financially less risky way, then perhaps you can consider doing our 4-month UX Career Accelerator program. Now, if you're not looking to make any career transition, you're just looking to upskill yourself and enhance your skill set as a marketer or perhaps as a product manager, you can then consider our 2-day UX program, which is Skills Future eligible. These 3 courses are now available online and in person. Do check out our website at CuriousCore.com to find out more about the class schedule and to see if the class content fits your needs and your career goals. This is Dalen, and I hope to see you in class.